Hi, I wanted to show you this rack I just bought. It can go anywhere and it has so many uses. It can fit into really small places. It's great for a college dorm. I actually bought it for my house to help me pack and style. I'm a stylist, so I can lay everything out, or if I'm packing to go somewhere, there's just so much space here. It moves beautifully, doesn't make any noise. You see I'm moving it around. You could also mount it to a wall without the wheels, and then each level is customizable. So I left a little bit of space. You can put plastic containers under it, you can put shoes. So you choose the height here, and then you choose the height here again. And then there is so much hanging space. And then here is the top where you can also use it. So the bottom shelves are customizable, and here you can see it's sleek, it's minimal, and just so much space. I am really, really happy with it. On the sides here, I can show you, it comes with this on both sides, so you can put belts, bags, whatever you want. So they really thought of the most useful, smart product. Enjoy.